Hello, and welcome back to the channel. It's been a minute since I filmed anything or uploaded anything to YouTube, so sorry for that. I do want to get more in the routine of filming and vlogging and all that kind of stuff with the builds and riding. Life just gets kind of crazy sometimes, with good reason. Got married, moved to Pacific Northwest up to Coeur d'Alene, Idaho. And obviously did some racing this year and have some more racing to come next year. So it's been hectic, but haven't forgot about the builds and all the fun that I've had with all that, and really just took some time to reassess things and kind of get things squared away and try and be better for the future. So I'm excited to introduce a new build to the channel. I also have the 125 that I plan on building to do as a giveaway bike to one of you guys. I will keep you updated with that. Hopefully get the parts up to my house up here now in the next few weeks and start putting that thing together, and then introduce how to be eligible to win it, and have the Elsinore back home that I'm gonna be getting shipped up here or bring it up here. And I'd really like to build that as a vintage race bike. Have some cool ideas for that. I have another kind of special bike in the works, and there's some really good riding out here. The weather's not great for it right now, but hopefully when the snow thaws out, we can get some good riding in. In the meantime, maybe take some trips down to California to get some riding in down there to prepare for next year for racing. But without further ado, I'll introduce the new build that we're starting. Probably start tearing it apart next week, because I have one part on the way that I really want to test fit and try out before I start taking the bike fully apart. But here it is. I know we did this already, a 110 build, but I learned a lot in the process last time, so I'm excited to take what I learned then, use the parts that I liked. Some of them were a little overkill that I didn't really need. Not to say the last bike wasn't awesome, it was a really great bike. Looked really cool, but I'm gonna do a few different little touches here and there on this one. Pretty excited. I found this thing locally for a pretty good price. Just had some ideas that I wanted to kind of apply to a new platform. And it's always nice to have a 110, even if it's not like a highlight build on the channel. It's so fun having one in the quiver and just being able to go rip trails, dirt jumps, skate park, whatever. It's a really good skate park in town, so maybe I'll take this thing over there. But yeah, it's always nice to have a 110 laying around to hop on. My wife loves them too, so maybe we'll build this thing with the intention of both of us riding. So yeah, hopefully you guys are as stoked as me. Did have a couple horsepower upgrades I wanted to slap on real quick. These start off with, I think, 7 horsepower, so I'm gonna go ahead and add some power to it right now. Goal is 69 horsepower. That's at least good for about 20 horsepower right there. SKDA makes some pretty sweet stuff, so it's gotta be another 15, I'd say, probably. So we're getting close. That's a good quote right there by SKDA, so I don't know, I think that adds about, I'd say 7. Apparently I forgot my sticker pack at home back in California, so I just had to add another, oh, we'll go double up. Ford Performance. Worth another 20. I think we met our goal with that one. Pretty happy with that, looks sweet. All right, no, but seriously, sorry about the lack of uploads. I'll try and be better. I just wanted to hop on here real quick, show the new build, tell you what I've been up to, and tell you what to expect in the future. So again, next week we'll have a part for this thing that I'll be unveiling and kind of, I don't know, I guess reviewing it in a way. And maybe if you guys are interested in building your 110, it'll give you some information that you're looking for too, because I know there's a lot of options for these things out here, and it's kind of hard to pick and choose which ones are the best. So thanks for tuning in. Sorry this video is a little short, but if you haven't already, like the video, subscribe, and we will be back starting next week with a weekly upload and a bunch of really cool content to come in the future. So thank you guys, and I'll see you soon.